doing the usability testing for one of the app. We get the prototype. So before we use that, I'm going to ask you a few personal questions. What platform do you use? Do you have iPhone? Do you have Android?
Android phone.
Android. What sort of apps do you like? Favorite apps?
Twitter, Facebook, SoundCloud, Google Play, YouTube, use that kind of stuff.
And where do you use your phone most? Inside the office, outside, at home?
Both places, to be honest. Yeah.
Places.
Right.
And have you used the app called Timeout?
No, I haven't.
It's a magazine app, or something like that?
No, not really, no.
You're not interested in use.
I didn't really use stuff. I don't really use apps. I just use like the browser.
So what are the main areas other than what you're interested in, like music, singing,
The apps
books?
I like to use.
No, your personal interests, like books,
like sport, reading, like videos and stuff.
Okay, brilliant. So I'm going to give you a few tasks to perform on this app. It's called Timeout. It's a magazine app. Right? And you can search for the books, magazines.
Okay, yeah.
Before you start using the app, there's a constraint which I need to tell you about. So when you see the keyboard appears, when you type it first time, that means it's going to put the search keyword in the box automatically. You don't have to type it out.
Okay.
And if you want to then enter the search, you just have to tap the keyboard again.
Okay, cool. Right.
That's the only thing.
Okay, cool.
Right. So, task 1.
Yeah.
If you can open the app for me, please. Cancel the cash one. Okay, brilliant.
Yeah, notification search of the books.
So from the books, you've navigated to the books. Okay.
Yeah.
Brilliant. So can you navigate to magazines, please?
Wait. Sorry.
Okay. Thank you. So you're currently on the magazine index page. Can you search for the magazine that feature food in the content? So you search for the keyword food.
Okay.
Tap in.
Oh,
the keyboard.
Oh, like here.
So this has given you results. So if you now select the Revolution magazine from the list.
Okay, yeah.
Okay. So can you now search for the keyword cafe? Yeah, top 10 cafes in London?
Yeah.
Brilliant. Thank you very much.
Okay.
And you have to perform one more test for landscape mode.
Okay, cool.
Landscape testing. Yeah, you can see that it appears as a landscape page.
Yeah. Okay.
Thanks very much. What do you think, how easy or difficult it was to use that?
I'd say it's quite easy. It has a good layout, and stuff in there. So when I found the magazine, it was easy to just click that tab.
So you think that exploring different options,
Yeah.
option menu is quite easy to?
Yeah.
Okay. How was the search process, searching for the keywords and finding out the results?
Yeah, it was easy. I'd say quite easy.
Okay. So how did you find the landscape mode as compared to portrait?
I preferred to put portrait mode, but that's because that's what I normally use anyway. Like I only use my landscape videos. So.
Just a few questions to start with.
We're ready? We're away?
We're ready. I think he's
Okay.
yeah.
Okay, sure.
Do you normally shop online at all?
I do, yeah. I do shop online for some things.
Okay. And have you ever shopped online like, for clothing items?
I have,
Right.
yes.
Have you ever been to Primark?
Not online, I've been to
You've been to a Primark,
stores.
but not online.
Yeah.
Okay, that's brilliant. I think that's all we need to start. Is there anything else to ask? Any additional questions?
Yeah, I mean, because it's on the web, you know, this obviously we're testing on a Mac, but we also work on PCs.
Okay.
So our first point is just, again, to say thank you for participating. It's really helpful. These are some prototype ideas, prototype designs, and you'll be helping us to understand if the functionality is working or maybe if we need to spend some more time on it.
Okay.
For the purposes of this test, if you could just assume that you're already a user, you've already signed in, which means that your details are stored in the system and knows your home address.
Okay.
You're also not going to be able to use the keyboard for this simulation, so you don't have to enter anything, it will do it for you. It's going to do a little bit of that. And it would really help us when we give you the task, you just read the task out loud.
Okay.
And then as you go through a little bit of talking out loud, thinking out loud, what's going on in your head, if you can't find something or if it's not clear, that's very helpful to us.
Sure. But you don't need me to describe what I'm actually doing.
You could if you want, that'd be fine. Yeah.
Okay.
Some of that is I'm looking for something.
Okay.
You're not finding it straight away.
Sure.
Yeah. Any other questions? Okay.
I think I understand so
Good.
far. If task 3 is from the results, purchase your favorite, have the item delivered to your home address, pay using PayPal. Okay, purchase my favorite. Let us go with the small checks. And have it add to basket would be the next step. Go to basket. Proceed to checkout. Deliver to home address. Pay with PayPal. Confirm. Continue shopping.
Brilliant. So how did you find that?
It was very simple. Very, very simple.
Okay. Was there anything that wasn't as you expected? Or?
No, actually, it was very simple. It was very easy to use.
Anything else we can ask?
No, it's good because what we built in is there's actually two ways of searching. Either quick search,
Okay.
or as you did, click on men's. I know on men's shirts.
Yes.
So from the development process, we've worked out that different people like to search different ways. As you did, a lot of people, it's just, that's the men's section, there's shirts, as you did. But other people might want to use the quick search, but they still come
to
to...
the keyboard, which may be led him down a certain path without planning it.
And-
If he clicked in there, it would have filled in men's shirts for you.
True.
Would you have done it if you don't use the keyboard?
When I can use a mouse, I always use a mouse. Because I have to use a laptop at home. I don't like having to use my finger on the small keypad.
Yeah.
So, I mean, my fingers are on, I don't like using the small keys. I have a very
Well,
small
this,
laptop.
again, this is where, with us, with a prototype,
Mhm.
we didn't actually have this function until we developed our prototype.
Okay.
And it was the fact, well, this is, for a lot of people, this is the obvious. It already tells me this is men's.
Yeah, I agree with you.
So there's different ways to get to the search where all the shirts come up. Because before I was going to say there's no right or wrong way. It's brilliant for us to see how you do it and your ease of...
I prefer the mouse, and I use the Windows touch screen laptop.
Yeah.
So again, I would have tapped man. I wouldn't have used the keys as the first choice.
Right.
That's perfect.
Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you very much.
You're most welcome.
Thank you.
That was
Thank
easy
you.
enough.